Hello, we are at Ang Sila today. I would like to introduce you a little bit for the introduction of the videos. Now you see I'm gonna introduce you about the dry fish and the preserved one that they have it here. You can see they have even with the fruit also, the preserve as well. They have an oyster there, they have a prawn there, and even with some sauce as well. And now, the next one that you're gonna see in this video is about the mortar, which is a signature of the Ang Sila market here. So, and you can see how it's different from others. So basically, this is the thing that you can learn from the video today. And I'm gonna ask this, I'll give you some detail later from the merchants or the vendor there as well. Why is the different?
Hello, my name is Tuk, and I would like you to take a look of my videos. My videos concern is about the Bangkok and another places in Thailand. So if you are interested in Thailand or in Bangkok or even like my video, please subscribe or give me a comment, will be appreciated. Or if you have any things that you would like to ask, please add up or give me some the question under the comment down there. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye. So now we are at the Ang Sila fishing market, and you can see here, when the camera catch up, the field there is also close to the sea. So basically here we're gonna pan. You can see some more stall here, like a kiosk that can sell like a kind of a fish and seafood things here. It's like a big fishing market here. You can choose whatever you like. They have like many kind of thing of a squid, fish in a different packaging as well. In case that you would like to take some for, like for family in abroad, you also can do as well. They also have shrimp and prawns, different price as well with the different size of it. So that one is a squid thing. So, and that one is a small tiny fish. It's a different one. They even have a preserved one. This is a durian. You can see that one is durian one, and that one, what is it called? อันนี้อะไรคะ That one is a jackfruit one. That is a preserved one. So you can see the difference of the size. And then what it has, there are also some paste like kind of that made from the fish there. In Thai we call kapi thing, you put in to make it like a kind of a spicy sauce there to eat with the fish. So, and that one is a sticky rice in the bamboo, things like that. In Thai we call khao lam here, and then we have a different size. Look, they even make more nice packaging here in a different way. So it's quite nice. What is in the rice? The coconut milk. Is have a coconut milk, no fish. That is a kind of dessert here, and with the black bean inside as well. And they put some more inside.
So now we are inside the fish market, Ang Sila Fish Market. And before we go to the fresh one, we will see a lot of the stall that selling the preserved food like fish, cuttlefish, or prawn, dry prawn, or squid. And the interesting thing about the squid here, because when they make it dry and preserved one, they make in a different sauce as well. Sometimes they mix it with butter. Sometimes they put more spice inside, which you can choose and you can taste it before you buy it. Before we further go more for about the fishing market, I also would like to explain a little bit about Ang Sila for you. Actually, if you look or you watch our video in earlier, we talk about Khao Samuk and Bang San Beach as well. So all these areas are in Chonburi province, and with Ang Sila, that the things that you have seen now on the screen also is not far from Khao Samuk or Bang San Beach. It's around 6 kilometers away from the place. And now you can see as well, it's like a kind of a long fish there. And now we come to the mortar shop, which is the signature of Ang Sila. And actually I also quite have interest in it because I would like to know why it's different from others. So I asked the vendors, who is the old man in front of you now, how it's different and why it's different. So he said that basically Ang Sila mortar is very famous for Thailand, or is one of the, like how I told you before, like a signature, because it's different from others because it's made of the real stone, not like a plaster which other province made it. So that's why the price is a little bit more expensive, and you can choose in different size and different price. And they have even a small one, you can buy it like a souvenir as well. So this is the thing why Ang Sila mortar is like a kind of special than others mortar in other province. So, and then we will carry on later. I just let you see a little bit of the view there. And now we come to the like a kind of fresh market. So it's a different things that show you now is like have oyster and also like a prawn there. Some also they cook already and you can eat in fresh one with the sauce that they prepare. And the sauce also have a different kind of it, like a kind of paste or like a kind of liquidy, like a sauce thing. And in front of you in the top there also is a salt. That is quite kind of very special and very good quality. And then the next one you can see like a kind of they make like crab, and all this kind of thing is very fresh from the sea. So you can see what it they have a crab, they have like a kind of mussel there as well. And then later on when we walk further down in the market, actually this market you can drive with a car as well inside it, but you have to pay for the parking. I recommend you as well when you come here, I think it's better park outside because you can walk past many stores before you come to the big market inside. And then most of the store here will sell the fish and the squid and thing that they can show you, like this one, there's just only like half kilo, it's only 120 baht and they preserve it for you already. So basically you just enjoy and just look and choose the one that you really like it. At the entrance of the market now, you can see like they have also many tables there that on the side of the pathway they have some restaurant like a kind of kiosk to sell food that you can buy, and then you can enjoy yourself and sitting there and eating together with your family. So when you walk further down inside, you can see a lot of preserved one like you have seen outside for Ang Sila souvenir market over there. And then you can see it's a real squid there with a different price. And I'm gonna ask you, actually I feel like it's look nearly the same. The price is different, it's a bit higher price because the size is bigger, but the rest is the same. And also some also is cheaper, but most of the thing here is very fresh like I told you before. So some of the restaurant around here also buy it from this market. And also you will see a lot of kind of preserved food and preserved squid or preserved prawn, dry prawn that you have seen in the papaya salad or something. Also can they also come and buy it from here as well. So this one is very interesting because I ever tried it myself already. I asked the vendor there and they said it's a kind like one kind of seaweed, but this one is a fresh one and you can just have to dip it with a sauce. And now also they have something that like crab, and then they already crack it for you. So they pack it in the package, like that one is 250 baht. It's like have a like crab, and then they have like a things that they are already like a peel off for you. Then the next one that I show you in the bucket with the oxygen inside, they're just a fresh one, the real life one. So it's a kind of a horse crab, something like that. So, and then next one is like many kind of squid and the fish that they just put it there, and then you can see they sell is very cheap, like per plate is only like 80 baht that you can choose for yourself, and then maybe you can buy it and then you can get it back to home and cook it by yourself. This one is the one kind of a thing that is interesting because that is a crab that they tie it up together and to protect them to spread their leg and arms around. And then the next one that you can see is like a kind of mini sauce, and also they have like a kind of egg of the squid wrapped in the like a leaf, and then they grill it. So now we just pan the camera quite quick because most of the shop, like a restaurant, not the restaurant, it's like a kind of vendor and also the kiosk thing, the store there. They sell things nearly the same, just only some shop has special things like this shop. They have like a kind of a crab in a different kind of thing. And then this one, they show us also like a prawn and lobster, like a kind of big one. And they even show a little bit more with the why is it different for 220 baht, because they have a lot of fat in the head of the prawn that you will enjoy it when you steam it or you grill it. And this one also is called Jang Lon. It's quite interesting. Per stick is only 15 baht. You buy it seven each, 7 stick together, you pay only 100 baht. This thing is a kind of like a ball, a fish ball, and then they just put the herb inside and a little bit of spice. They make it like a ball and then stick it together and then just grill it with the heat. And the taste is like a fish cake, honestly, but it's quite tasty and it's no flour inside, just only the fish meat. And the next one is crab again. That some shop also I think most of the shop here, when you buy crab or something, maybe like a kind of fresh thing from the market, like squid, they also can cook for you. If you ask for it, they will do it for you. And like I said to you before, they have a lot of souvenir here, like a kind of preserved one in a different price, and you can pick it up by yourself. This is a thing that I ever mentioned before. It's like a seaweed. You can eat it like a fresh one, but you have to wash it first with clean it with water normally, and then you just dip it with the sauce. They have like a seafood sauce and the chili sauce. So I tried it before, and the taste itself is quite salty, but it gives you like a lot of iodine and protein, so it's quite nice. And this one also is like a fresh prawn, and you can see you can eat it fresh like that because they put already the sauce inside with chili and garlic and fish sauce mixed together. So, and this kind of thing also, they have like a different kind of squid. Some also look more like a banana one, some also a short one. And this one, the vendor tried to advertise us and introduce us about it. It's like he even show us that it's the half of it's whole fish, but they just like a how shear it up and then like just only see the whole fish like that. Is only 150 baht. And he told like fish, the prawn that is also per kilo is 300 baht. So they just try to tell us how they pay, how they just charge per kilo. And they also have the service for steam and fried for you as well. So for the next one, what we're going to see more, that one, I like it when I was young. It's a kind of a grilled squid, like a squid skewer. You grill it. This one is quite cheap for this market because one stick is only 10 baht, which you cannot find like this in the city when you buy it. So, and then that one is a kind like a cow crab. Then they make it like a ball and then they deep fry. And the rest will be the same. Most of the shop will sell like a kind of a souvenir things that you can buy to pack for your family later on, like in the bag like that in the different price. And then later on, you can see mortar again, and mortar here, you can see they also have made of the wood as well. So different. And you can see in front of you, the interesting thing, the square, the big cube one, the big one, the big square, like a rectangular size, is something that you can it's called sharpener for your knife. And also the short one, like a cube, that is something that you can use it for rub your feet and get the dry skin out, something like that. It's quite cheap. It's around like 20 baht to 50 baht each. So now we come to the paste again, and some souvenir, like many squid in many flavor that you can choose. And don't forget that before you buy it, you can ask the vendor that, can you taste it? If it's yummy, buy it for yourself or for your family. If not, don't have to do it. It's fine as well. And then the next one, that one is like an oyster. So basically it's a shell, and then they have they dig it up already, and they put the oyster in the big bowl there as well. So basically it's this a thing that, like I said to you before, is quite a very fresh one that you can come here, taste it by yourself, and then enjoy it. If you like it, buy it. If not, no need to buy. So I hope you enjoy it today, and thank you very much for watching, and see you for the next time. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much, and see you for the next time. Bye bye.